Hey everybody. So, excuse me. I just had a little bit of lunch. So I'm gonna do my room tour. My room is not fully finished, so this is just my process of how my room is. And so yeah. So this is the front door. Sorry, I can't scoot back. My bed is behind me. So here I have my jewelry right there. I still have to put my jewelry. I put my work bag because I don't have a bag bag. My owl bag is coming off, like, falling off the handle part. So I'm just using that because I bring lunch home sometimes. Laundry basket, garbage basket, utility do that. So I'm gonna put like a tapestry or something there, and I just have that. My um, while I'm talking, I'm just gonna show you. Then I'll talk. I have really high ceilings. I know this is the very first time I'm having my bed not against the wall. Very long window. Don't mind that stuff still working. And see, oh, oh, you can see Gracie. She's right there. And then my closet. Don't judge me. Other side. And I am going to keep these doors. Usually I don't, but this closet is the bigger closet I ever had. Well, except one. Sorry I make you dizzy. I'm trying to do this very slowly. Alright. So let's start here. So I think I'm moving my desk over a little bit. And in this area, I'm going to have a kind of like like a shelf, kind of like a bookshelf, but a small version of a bookshelf right there, to put um, my um, planner stuff, that and um, my color stuff. So it's gonna be like more storage that I need. Um, and then over this corner, I'm loving this corner. I've been loving this corner since we moved in. I'm gonna make that corner like a cozy reading, just sit in front of the window type thing. Yes, I have landscape people. Um, so just do that so you don't see him. So yes, and that's the front of the entrance. Anyway, so I'm gonna make that a like just a reading cozy area. And then for this wall, I'm thinking of putting some wall lights, the ones that hang down. Um, that'd be kind of cool there. Oh, I am gonna hang, sorry, dude, hang my plant right, whoo, sorry, right in here. Try to hold in my iPad at the same time. Right there, hanging, sticking out. Um, so yeah, and then and for this wall, I'm not sure it's a be getting something for covering that. So still process, still gonna change that up, put my books and such. Um, so that's, oh, my cat likes bags, so that's her bag. She has one in their room, and yeah. Uh, so yeah, that's that. Um, Hope you guys like my room, and it's so much bright in here. I'll show you with the light off, and this is what I get. Not too bad. The light is not too shabby on a gloomy day. Um, but yeah. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you. That little guy's from the dollar store. So he lights up. Sadly, he died, so he needs new batteries. But I got that too before we moved in, or no, after the first day we moved in. I got that so I can have some sort of light in here. And those two air plants are not going to be there. They're going to be like in the living room or so. One's mine, one's my mom's. Uh, so yeah, that's that. All right. I hope you guys like my room so far. And give some decorating ideas. What we want to do with these two walls, especially one with my TV at. And my TV is going to be mounted to the wall sometime, whenever. So it's going to be more better. I can decorate more, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Hope this is not too loud for you guys. I try to not make it so shaky and stuff, but yeah. Anyways, all right. Love you guys. Be safe, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.